kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe.
So friends, let's see today's delicious recipe. Now here I have 4 onions that I've chopped very finely, 10 cloves of garlic chopped fine. I've taken 3 types of bell peppers, the green, the yellow and the red, and taken half of it and chopped it into small cubes. This is about 3 carrots chopped fine, 3 tablespoons of jalapenos chopped fine, and half a cup of boiled corn. I'll leave all these ingredients in the description box below as well as the comment section. Now to a bowl I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We're going to prepare a spice mix. 1 teaspoon of coarse garlic flakes. Now all these are available in the supermarket. You add 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs, that which has oregano and rosemary, just the mixed herbs that you generally get in the supermarket. Then I'm going to be adding 1.5 teaspoon of regular red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder finely ground, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can also use paprika alternatively. And now mix everything together. This is our spice mix for this recipe. This is what is going to give the entire flavor to this recipe. So now next I've taken 750 grams of mince or keema. You can use any one, mutton, chicken, beef, whatever you regularly use. And just fry this really well in some olive oil. And then just drain the stock. We're going to retain the stock. We're going to use this. And we're going to fry the mince for about 7 to 8 minutes using about 2 tablespoons of olive oil till it's completely nicely cooked and dry. Once this is done, just set this aside. Now I'm also going to use 1 can of kidney beans, the ones you get, baked beans for baked beans. Now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot. We're going to make this dish in a large pot. Once our olive oil, we're just going to add the olive oil and immediately add the onions because you don't need to heat olive oil that much. Fry the onions till they're nice and translucent. Once the onions are nice and translucent, you're going to add the garlic. Once the garlic is fried well, add all the 3 types of bell peppers or capsicum. That is the red, the yellow and the green. Next I'm going to add the carrots and the boiled corn. And give everything a real good mix. Now we're going to add the mince that we prepared. Just add all of that into the veggies. Give everything a real good mix again. And now the mince stock that we had retained, we're going to add it back to that pan in which we cooked the mince. Put it on a low flame, let it get heated up a bit. And then you're going to add 1 chicken soup cube. And you're going to mix this really well till all of that soup cube is dissolved. So this is a thicker stock. Now it has salt. So when you're adding salt later on, just keep in mind that this also has salt. Now add this to our pot. Mix everything really well together. And now you're going to cover and cook this for about 15 minutes on a low flame. After that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of this peri-peri sauce. Mix everything well together. Next, you're going to add 1 cup of cubed chicken. Now, what I did is I just took some olive oil. I took 1 breast of chicken, just tossed it around till it was cooked really well. Cut it up into cubes and I'm adding it now. And this is going to get cooked, in the process. Now we're going to add the spice mix that we prepared. Mix everything really well together. Again, you're going to cover and cook this for about 15 minutes on a low flame. Next, you're going to add 2 cups of tomato puree. Now, I prefer using the ready-made tomato puree because it has a thicker and a better consistency rather than grinding, tomatoes at home. So, if you can get your hands on ready-made tomato puree, this elevates the taste of the dish. Again, mix everything well. Now, you add your salt to taste, but remember that the stock, we added that soup cube, so that also has a lot of salt. So, first check the taste and then add salt. Now, you're going to add the jalapenos. Next, you're going to add the can of beans. Give everything a good mix. Now, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Again, mix well. And you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sweet onion sauce. Mix everything well again. Next, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. And last but not the least, 1 cup of fried and chopped up bacon. Now mix everything well together and just turn off the heat and your dish is all ready. Now you can serve this with some nachos and don't forget to put a dollop of sour cream. You can serve this with rice, you can serve this with some cut up bread which is toasted lightly. Just have this and let me know how you like this recipe, guys.
I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out. Share them with family and friends. And let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.